Welcome to another How to Bake, and today we are going to bake baguettes filled with Angus beef, onion and cheese. Do you love meat? Then you should really try this. Let's start with the ingredients. All-purpose flour, water, salt, dry yeast, onions, grated cheese and of course Angus beef. Put your flour and dry yeast into the bowl and mix it. You don't have to do this when you are using fresh yeast. Now you can add your salt and water. Start mixing slow until all ingredients are well mixed. Then mix fast for around 6 minutes. Your dough should be extensible and well developed. The temperature of your dough should be around 28 degrees Celsius. Take a bowl like this and use some oil inside. Put your dough into the bowl and cover it up. Let it rest on a warm place for at least 1 hour. Now we have the time to prepare our Angus beef. I am using a meat mill for this. Now season the beef with some salt and pepper. And divide it into 2 pieces. Flatten them a little and shape them the way I do. Take your onions and chop them fine as well. After 1 hour your dough will be double in size. Divide it into 2 baguettes of 250 grams each. Now shape them into a pill. Cover them up and let them rest for another 20 minutes. Now shape your dough into a baguette. Place your baguettes onto a baking tray and use some baking paper underneath. Use a knife to cut them open. Let's start with putting some onions in. And some cheese. And put the Angus beef on top of it. Finish them with some more onions and cheese. Now let your baguettes proof for at least 1 hour. I'm using some warm water inside to create moist and heat. Now they are ready to bake. Use some water to create steam. This will result in better looking baguettes. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Then leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.